Hello students, you're watching English with Terry. In today's class, I want to show you how we can use the word would to talk about the past, specifically about past habits, okay? Let's go. So, in this lovely photo here that you can see of the photographs and memories as the idea, is that we're using would to talk about the past. Now, we're talking specifically about past habits, or actions in the past that were repeated a lot. Now, one way, or the most common way you see this, is the expression I used to. For example, I used to go to the gym every day, but now I almost never go. So this is the idea that if I say I used to go to the gym every day, but now I almost never go, it means it was a habit or repeated action in the past that does not continue now. When you see used to, it's about the past and it does not continue now. For example, before I became a teacher, I used to work in hotels and restaurants. I did not like the job very much, but I learned a lot of languages, so. Now, what I want to show you is that in some sentences, some cases, the expression I used to for actions or habits in the past, we can also use the word would. When we talk about this using would, and when I was researching this video and preparing the materials, it's the same idea again and again, that if we are using would to talk about actions or habits in the past, usually we are remembering in a nice way, talking about happy memories in the past. For example, we have an example here. When I was a child, I used to play in the street all day with my friends. But we can also express the same idea with simply, when I was a child, I would play in the street all day with my friends. Okay? Same idea, same meaning, same basic thing. So I used to play and I would play, basically the same idea, past habits that do not continue now. So remember, it's about telling happy stories about our past. When I research videos, I'm always checking online dictionaries or online materials, any definition or explanation. And again, the same idea, talking about reminiscing or telling happy stories about our past. Remembering happy memories of past periods of our life. Simple ideas might be, where you played as a child or where you lived when you were really, really young. Or other ideas would be, when you were a child, what games did you play? I would always play football with my friends. It was always my thing. And then I would always just cycle and have fun. Didn't have any special games, right? But when you were in school, what friends did you have, right? And I would always spend time with my friends, and me and my friends, we would always go to the same small forest outside of the town. So talking about like these old happy memories. Or when you were in university, if you have finished university already, what great times did you have? When I was younger, when I was university, I would go out all the time. I would go out having fun all the time. Now I'm 34, I'm a little bit older, I don't go out so much. But it's this idea of happy family memories. When you were a child, what is something you would always do with your family? Can you answer this in your comments? In the comment section here? What is something you would always do with your family? Now again, it is the same meaning, the same idea as when you were a child, what is something you used to always do with your family? Okay, same meaning. But what I want to explain is, when we have would for past habits, it's more formal, it's more literary, closer to literature and to sort of stories, and it's the idea then of stories and happy memories. Now, before I finish the video, one important detail is that we can use used to talk about actions and states, but would will only refer to actions. Let me give you an example. To be a waiter, the guy who works in a restaurant, this is a state, okay? To have long hair, this is a kind of state. And I used to have long hair. You can see it's very short now, but I used to have long hair. So, for example, here, I used to be a waiter is correct, but to say I would be a waiter is not, that doesn't make that same sense because it's a state, not an action. Again, I used to have long hair, but we cannot say in this case I would have long hair. if we have an action, we used to play all day or we would play all day. In this case, it's an action and it's okay. All right, I hope you really enjoyed it, guys. Please click like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos. And please, if you like the video, please share it with your friends. I'm working really hard this year to make many YouTube videos. So if you have any requests or you'd like to see any specific videos, please leave me a comment or send me a message and I'll do my best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.